Hello friends, this is 3 plus 1, but it will be a different apartment from the previous one because it is under renovation. So the doors, windows, floors, everything is going to be upgraded. So this is the entrance, and on our entrance there is a toilet, a small one. Behind this there is kitchen. You can see a big one. So they are going to repair doors, windows, electric, floor as well. So this is the balcony, open from the kitchen. This is the front view. Here is a girls college, I think so, and you can see the main road in front of this. So we are going to see the bedroom, but before bedroom here is a salon, a very big salon. So floor is going to be repaired. It is a big salon, and here is a balcony as well. So big balcony. They are going to paint it again, repair it, and approximately we will discuss about the expense, how much we have to put more in it. So it is a bedroom, a smaller one. The windows are older one, so that's why they are going to change the first bedroom. And this is sewage system. This is master bedroom. You can see here is two-sided windows, and this is the third bedroom. It is also big one, and here is a master toilet plus shower. So they are going to make it repair, and they are asking for 800,000 Turkish lira in this condition. And according to my experience, 150,000 lira approximately, yani between 100,000 lira to 150,000 lira, it will take more to repair all these doors, windows, floors, and electric. So it will be a new one after renovation, but it will be costing 900,000 tele to 950,000 tele. So you can like our videos, subscribe our channel, so that the new videos could be easily seen to you. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.